Want to hear Google Maps directions through your car speakers? Here's how to connect Google Maps to your car Bluetooth. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Tap on Bluetooth and make sure it's turned on. Now, connect your phone to your car's Bluetooth. Once connected, open the Google Maps app. Tap on your profile icon at the top right, then go to Settings. Now, tap on Navigation Settings. Scroll down a little and find Play Voice over Bluetooth. Turn this option on. Next, turn on Play as Bluetooth phone call. This helps your directions play clearly through your car speakers. Now, start a route on Google Maps, and your directions will play through your car. If it's not working, try disconnecting and reconnecting your Bluetooth, or restart your phone. And that's it. Super quick and easy.